Let's make a simple, flavorful tomato rice in a stainless steel pressure cooker. Heat oil and ghee, add the whole spices, and let them bloom in the hot oil. Add sliced onions, green chilies. Once they soften, stir in ginger garlic paste and cook until fragrant. Now add the chopped tomatoes, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala and salt. Cook until the tomatoes turn soft and the oil starts separating. Now add the soaked basmati rice. Coating every grain with the masala is the secret to perfectly cooked tomato rice. Sprinkle in the fresh mint and coriander, then pour 2 cups of hot water. Pressure cook on medium heat for 2 whistles. Switch off the flame and let the pressure release naturally for fluffy tomato rice. Gently fluff the rice. Serve it hot with cool onion raita, crispy papad, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Don't forget to follow my channel, Everyday Lifestyle with SS, for more comforting recipes.